Here's how to do reverse hypers using a Freak Athlete Hyper Pro. I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to do the movement. The Freak Athlete Hyper Pro is currently in sleep mode, meaning it's all the way down. We want to get it out of sleep mode. This is controlled by the front and back levers. The front, when it's in sleep mode, is locked by the gray knob. So I'll pull that and slide it all the way up. It gives me to 20 degrees. The back is governed by the purple knob. And when I unlock that, it brings it up to 20 degrees. All right, so now this whole thing is even. For reverse hypers, I want the front angled higher. Personally, I set it up at 35 degrees, okay? Now this is completely set up for reverse hypers. However, I do want to tighten this in the front, the green in the front, and the blue in the back so that it doesn't shake, okay? So I'm going to face my machine. I'm going to get my hip into the pad here so that I can bend 90 degrees. From here, I'll grab the handles and I'm going to raise my legs up and down. This movement is great for targeting the glutes, lower back, and some of the hamstrings. That is a reverse hyper using a Freak Athlete Hyper Pro.